guys, and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing you guys this wig that I got from Isee Hair, Isee Hair, whatever. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to bleach the knots. So this is basically the wig construction. Has about 4 clips, and I believe it's a 13 by 14 frontal. But yeah, so right now I'm just spraying the Got2b glue gel because you want to get all the hair out of the way, all the baby hairs, everything out of the way, so it doesn't get bleached or over processed by accident. And you could be generous because we're gonna wash the wig after, so don't worry about there being glue. You just want to brush it down nice. And that's another look at the knots for you. And that's about how much space I have with the frontal. Alright, now I'm going to spray the Got2b glue inside the frontal just for a protective barrier because, guys, this is my first time. This is my first time bleaching knots. I want to make sure, you know, just in case I mess up. Okay, so I got the B2 bleaching powder. Maybe. I didn't really read the instructions. I've just been watching videos on videos about how to bleach knots. So I'm gonna do 2 scoops to be safe. And honestly, by the looks of it, like 2 scoops actually looks like a lot. But I don't think it is. Alright, now I'm just adding the developer. And I'm just gonna add as much until I think it's right. A lot of people say like, oh, it should be the consistency of pancake batter. But honestly, when I did this, I did it right. But I feel like it could have been better. I feel like the best way to describe how you want the paste to be, or the bleach, I would say, is like, you know the butter from Texas Roadhouse? I think you kind of want it like that. And I also think it's easier to apply with a knife. I see a lot of people applying it with a knife, and it makes a lot of sense because honestly, this brush gave me it gave me work, okay? It gave me work. But yeah, honestly, like as long as it's not drippy and runny, you should be good. You can honestly, you kind of want it to be like a whip. Like a Cool Whip, but like not Cool Whip, more like whipped cream, but like not liquidy. I don't know. That's how I describe it. That's the best way I can really try to describe it to you, because if you look, like mine is kind of thick, and it was, I don't know if it's because of the brush or it's because maybe I did it a little too thick, but it was hard to spread on. Look at me struggling right now. Look. Spaces everywhere. Nah. Also, I think the biggest thing you want to remember when applying bleach to your frontal is to make sure you get the front. I think we all focus on like the middle part a lot, but like make sure you bring it out to the front enough so that everything, because the front is the first thing they're gonna see. First thing people are gonna see is the front. So you want to make sure it gets bleached. You don't want to be plucking it too much, over plucking, or there's no bleach whatsoever. It's not gonna look nice. Okay, so once you're done, I would say probably leave it for about 30-35 minutes. Since mine was a little chunkier, I left it for about 40 minutes just to be sure. But like if you're really like scared and you're nervous, you can check every like 10 minutes to make sure that the knots are being bleached, like to make sure it's the right color. You want to make sure it gets to like either an orange, light brown, or whatever you're going for. Just make sure you do that and then just rinse it out. And I'm being very thorough with the rinse. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, that's my first time bleaching knots. Talk about scalp. Talk about scalp. Wow. It looks so nice. But you see there's like a little orange tint. We want to get rid of that. So I'm going to go in with the Shimmer Lights shampoo to kind of like stop the bleach from working and kind of tone down that orange color so you can't really see it. And I'm mad paranoid, so I'm just like, I'm gonna go ham. Like, I'm going in with this shampoo to the point where, you know, I'm washing it once and then I apply the shampoo again and then leave it for 5 minutes and then wash it out again. Another thing I forgot to mention, guys, is that I got this wig in 22 inches. I know it's layered, so obviously there are other inches in there. I'm not really sure what they are because I'm not a master at that, but it's 22 inches. Alright guys, and that's the end of this video. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope to see you next time. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.